morning, everyone. I'm going to do my last putting kits together for the 30 days of sketches. There are some that I did not get done, and I just had the 3 sitting here, so I thought I'm just going to go over those. I do have day 30. I am actually going to use my collection obsession, and probably some of the other ones that I have left over, I'll probably do the collection obsession too. And so that one's taken care of, and I can't tell you how good it feels to have as many done as possible with all the things I have going on this month. Okay, then this one here, day 26, I am using some things that I had in my summer kit. This is Hello Summer, and so I'll be using this for embellishments if I don't have enough in here. And I also, because it is a summer thing, I was thinking I might like to use this car. So I have this wood paper, and then I have this wood paper, and now this one has a little rip out of it, but I thought if I end up using both of them, this one I would just use for the divided page. And then I have these 2 papers. So the wood paper is Maxi Creative Pad Wood by P13. This is also P13, so it ain't no wonder they look fabulous together. And this is Hello Summer, and so is this. And oh, look it's the same paper. I never even realized. That's so funny. Okay, so that would be for, where's my, I lost my pictures. There they are. I knew they had to be there somewhere. And so that was day 26. And then day 22. And I ended up finding a container that I used to actually have my paper in. And that I could put all these kits in, so I put them all in bags. Okay, I've got this here. It's from Mintay, and it's their chippies, and so it's gonna have a carousel in it, so I thought I might use some of these. And then the papers I'm using is this one here. I just love that. It's just so perfect. And this is what the back looks like. And I have no idea what this is from. I cannot remember. But I love it. I'm also going to use this. And this is obviously from a paper pad. Maybe Maggie Holmes. I'm not sure. And then, you know, since there are 2 pages, this is Simple Vintage Farm Garden. The other side is black. But I thought these would look perfect together with this. And the only thing I pulled out so far for embellishments are the chippy and then this carousel rubber stamp that I got. Or it's not rubber stamp, whatever these are called. Well, clear. Clear stamp, okay. So those are the only things I have so far. And you can see there's like several color, and then they have some ombre colors, or where they blend from one color to another. But, so I'm just gonna be working with the ones I have. Okay, so that is day 22. And then day 20, they actually show like a frame, or like almost like a window pane. So there'd be like 4 pictures, and then some decoration top and bottom, and then some banners with like a tab and some leaves. So now they had theirs done fall, but I'm gonna have mine done Christmas. And so I pulled out this collection, and I really have it all wiped out with the exception of one paper and some scraps. But I have the whole 8.5 or 6 by 8, and I thought I'd bring these in. They're from the new collection called Merry and Joy. Oh, and this one is Merry Little Christmas, and I'm using it for the pink actually. And so I thought I would, to get this, I figured I would maybe put these together to do this look, because I want pink in my layout, and this is perfect. And then I have the embellishments, which I don't have a whole lot of embellishments left, but plenty. And then I have some scraps too to make banners with. So, and there's probably even some cutouts in here if I actually run out. Yeah, because there's these things too. So, and I have at least, oh yeah, I have 2 of each, so there's plenty. So that's that. Now I just thought I would show you the ones that I did not get done. Is day 21, so they're at least not the first week. And day 19, day 25, and day 29. So I will be, trying to gather those ahead, if at all possible. I know I have other things going on this month, and I'm going to be doing some babysitting, and we also have a dance that my second grade is in, and then plus we have the scraps to embellishments. So anyway, I am going to try to get these pulled out ahead. If somebody wants to see these when I get them pulled out, I try to do it all at once. So if you would, if you would like to see them ahead, just let me know. Otherwise, I'll just just do it when I do them. Oh, and I also pulled out wood stars to go with this, because I have these different size wood stars. Oh, and the open ones too. So that's the other thing I pulled out with this collection. And let's see, what else was I gonna say? Oh, so today you're gonna see that there are 3 videos. And I wasn't going to even bother doing this, but since I have been doing it right along, I thought, well, I'm just going to bring it to an end and tell you, I'm not going to continue unless you really want to see those when I get them pulled together. I'll just, even though we'll be actually doing the 30 days of sketches, I'll just do it one day and show you if you decide you want, if somebody tells me they'd like to see them. So today, today there will be a 30 days of sketches, and my collection obsession. So I only got 2 done, but I'm actually going to try to get some done next month too. And some days I will just have 2 videos. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day. And let me know if you're going to be doing the 30 days of sketches. I just always think it's a grand time. And there is a link that goes over to see just people's layouts. And then there'll be a link where you can just go over and see everybody who is doing YouTube videos. And I think there's also a link to take you to Instagram. So again, thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day. And I will have close-ups at the end like I always do. Bye-bye.